Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java video. In this video, we're going to be going over the regular expression. So, a regular expression is just a sequence of characters that allows us to use it as a search pattern to search for data within a text. So, to start off, we're going to have to import two things. So, go to the very top here and go import java.util.regex.matcher will be the first one that we need, right? And I'll just copy this, and then we have to replace matcher with pattern, right? So the pattern is what we're going to be looking for, and then the matcher is within the text that we're going to be looking for. So let's say we have a sentence, this is my dog, alright, this would be the matcher, and then the pattern would be dog, and then it will search for dog within that sentence there. So next we have to create ourselves two objects of pattern and matcher. So we'll do pattern first, then I'll just name it pattern. Then we're going to equal this to pattern dot compile to these pattern dot compile. Now in here, this is where we are going to be putting the word that we want to search. So let's say we want to search for the word dog, for example. So this is the word that we're going to be searching for. Now the matcher, we need to make the matcher. So matcher equals to pattern. We actually have to reference this pattern that we made. So pattern dot matcher. Now in here we are going to insert the word. All right. So let's say we have a list of animals. So we have cat, then we have dog, then we have mouse, and then we'll have horse. So here's just a list of animals, but it's just one string, and we are going to be searching dog, this word here that we have for the pattern. We're going to be searching for the word dog in this sentence here, or in this list, in the string. Next we're going to make a boolean, and I'm just going to name it found, and we're going to equal this to the matcher that we have created, and we're going to do dot find. So what this means is it's going to return a true or a false if this matcher finds dog within this string. It's going to return true, and then if it doesn't find that, it's going to return false. So we can create ourselves a little if statement here. So if found, so if it's true, we can return, let's just print out, we'll just do found, and then we'll do else. If it's not found, we'll just do not found, like that. Okay, so what's gonna happen here is, I'll just go over it again. We're gonna search for dog within this string here. If we find this match, right, we're using this this method here, find. If we do find this string within this string, we're going to return a true, and then we're just going to print out true. And then if this string is not within this string, this will be false, and then we're just going to print out this statement here. So if we can run this, you can see that we have found it. We have found dog within this string. So I can rename this. We can do cat. Same thing, found. Let's do something else. Let's do shark, for example. Then you can see is not found. So that's the very first thing that we can do. The next thing that I wanted to add, we can add an extra argument, I guess, in here, and we can give it a pattern. So one of the patterns we can give, there's a few patterns that we can give, but I'll just go over this one. So we do pattern, and then we can do case sensitive. And what this means is do oh, okay. I put it in the wrong place. We need to put in here actually. I was like, why is that not working? And then in here we do parent case sensitive. So what this does is this does not have to be case sensitive. So for example, all of these, let's say they have a capital letter at the start, and then if we search for the word dog, you can see that this is a lowercase d and this is a uppercase d. But by adding this part in case sensitive, it doesn't matter. They can be upper or lower, and we still find it. You can see that that's a capital, that's a smaller. It's found. But then if we remove this, you can see we get not found because this is a lowercase and this is an uppercase. So that's about it for this video. Hope this helps. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.